Points Q and R lie on a circle with center P. The radius of this circle is 9 inches. Triangle PQR has a perimeter of 31 inches. What is the length in inches of for the line segment QR? Okay, first let me draw a circle over here and mark the points Q and R on the circle. Okay, now let me take the point Q over here and R over here. The question says the center of the circle is P. Okay, let me mark the center of the circle P over here. Okay, now to get the triangle PQR, we have to connect the 3 points P, Q and R over here. Let me connect them. So here and here and here. Okay, we know that this PR is the radius and this PQ is also radius. The radius of the circle is 9 inches. So the length of the line segment PR over here is 9 and here PQ is 9. Okay, let's assume the length of QR as X. Okay, now to get the perimeter of this triangle PQR, we have to add the lengths of all the three sides. That is X positive 9 positive 9. So this gives the perimeter of the triangle. The question says the perimeter of the triangle PQR is 31 inches. So it must be equal to 31. Let's solve for X in this equation. That is X positive 18 equals to 31. To solve for X, we have to get rid of this positive 18. Okay, let me subtract 18 from both sides of this equation. Positive 18, negative 18 will cancel out. I am getting X equals to, when I simplify this one, I am getting 13. We know that X represents the length of the line segment QR. That is the length of the line segment QR equals to 13 inches. We find 13 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.